Every breakthrough begins with a vision. C-Data, a professional optical network solution provider, is dedicated to design efficient and reliable solutions for our customers. From concept to reality, a great product requires not only innovative design but also precise manufacturing. Our Shanwei factory is the foundation that brings designs to life. Covering 74,000 square meters, with 25,000 square meters of production area, our manufacturing center is poised to drive excellence in modern production. C-Data embodies a well-structured organization and a highly skilled team, working in harmony to foster efficient collaboration across departments, guaranteeing exceptional outcomes for our customers. Equipped with advanced equipment and integrating innovation and automation, we efficiently respond to customer needs and deliver high-quality products on time. From fully automated SMT lines, DIP soldering, to IC programming, every step is optimized for accuracy and consistency. Through streamlined workflows, our assembly lines deliver efficient production and consistent product excellence. Following assembly, rigorous testing process verifies performance and reliability across multiple parameters, ensuring every device meets high standards. Every detail counts, from packaging to efficient warehouse management and final shipping checks. We go the extra mile to ensure products arrive just as they were built, reliable and ready to perform. Quality is built into every process. Our quality system complies with ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, and our products meet global standards with CCC, CE, FCC, RoHS, BIS, and more. Behind every reliable product is the dedication of our quality control team. With skilled professionals conducting detailed inspections, we guarantee performance, reliability, and safety, making sure that every product exceeds expectations. With continuous investment in automation and AI-driven quality control, we're preparing for the evolution of modern manufacturing. Now, C-Data products reach over 50 countries and regions. Whether deploying in equipment rooms or challenging outdoor environments, our products remain reliable and stable at all times. Serving homes, enterprises, campuses, and industrial networks, connecting people with speed and stability. While striving for excellence in quality, we are also dedicated to creating a supportive workplace for employees. We believe that great products come from a harmonious balance of quality and employee well-being. The Shanwei Manufacturing Center shares the same Shenzhen metropolitan area designation as our headquarters. It allows for faster supply chain response and seamless talent collaboration, driving continuous excellence. Driven by growth, C-Data is constantly advancing with smarter solutions, stronger service, and a people-first philosophy. Let's grow together and build a smarter, more connected future.